Hello guys, and welcome back to my English comprehension exercise. Please listen to the vocabulary in this short video presentation about a woman who loves her son. But before we get started, please like my page and also hit that subscribe button down there for me if you have not already done so. And as always, it would be greatly appreciated. So let's get started.
Maria had to buy food for herself and her son. Divorced for 10 years, she was used to doing the shopping for her son. He was a junior in high school, which meant that he would be entering college in 2 years. Then she would be shopping only for herself. She felt sad when she thought of this. She hoped that he would attend the local junior college and then transfer to a university. That way, he could continue to live at home for another 2 years. She loved him and dreaded the day that he would no longer be her daily company. Maria drove to Costco, a chain store that sold food in bulk packages. By selling in bulk only, the store helps its customers save money. She parked far from the entrance. That meant a longer walk, but also a faster exit from the parking lot. She grabbed one of the big shopping carts outside and pushed it into the store. Her purse stayed tightly hung over her shoulder. Surprisingly, the store wasn't too crowded. In the produce section, she examined 9 packages of seedless green grapes before she found one that she liked. She carefully selected some bananas, apples, and other fruit, but she couldn't find her son's favorite brand of tangerines. On the way home, she planned to stop at another market or two until she found them.
Thank you guys for listening to this short video presentation about a woman who loves her son. I hope you understood the vocabulary in this short presentation. Also hit that subscribe button for me, guys, if you've not already done so. And also like my videos on YouTube. It's very important that you hit the like button or the not like button. It's okay. Until next time, bye.